Hi, everyone, and welcome back to your English grammar lesson for adults. We are still in unit number 3, and this is lesson number 2, all about direct objects. Now, what's a direct object? I'll tell you. A direct objects or direct objects are nouns or pronouns. Okay, so they're things that receive the action of the verb directly. They answer the question what or whom after the verb. You know how we do it here. I will show you an example so it just sinks in and it makes way more sense. Take a look at this. Sarah kicked what? The ball. What did Sarah kick? The ball. See how it answers that what question? What happened? What did she do? She kicked what? The ball. So our direct object is the ball. Cool. The teacher loves her students. What's the direct object? Where does her love go? It goes directly to the students. Exactly. The students are the direct object. I get it. Let's try something else here. So what else do direct objects do? Well, they clarify what or whom the subject is acting upon in a sentence, right? Where is that action going? You're doing something, but you're doing something to what? And they also follow the action verbs and provide extra information about the action that is happening to that noun or pronoun. Take a look at these next sentences here. They're not really a checkup, but it'll help you kind of sink in this information. We have 4 sentences here. She bought a new car. They baked a delicious cake. He painted the fence blue, and we visited the museum yesterday. Now, what are these direct objects? Well, we have all this extra detail, right? We had new what? A new car, right? What kind of cake? Delicious what? Cake. There you go. See, the cake is the noun, right? He painted the fence blue. Well, he painted what blue? The fence. The fence is now blue. Okay. And we visited we visited the museum yesterday. What did we visit yesterday? Right? We visited the museum. I think you get it. So now let's do our quick checkup. Ready? Here we go. Underline the verb in each sentence and highlight that direct object. So look for that verb and look for that direct object. Go ahead and pause that video now and we'll check it in just a moment. Okay, you paused that video, so now let's take a look and see if you got them right. And I'm pretty sure you did because you're smart. Number 1, we watched. There's our verb, right? There's our verb. Watched what? What did we watch? The direct object. We watched a movie, okay? We watched a movie. Number 2, she painted, okay? So she did an action, our verb. Painted what? What did she paint? A picture. A beautiful picture. The picture is our direct object. They fixed, that's our action, what? The window. The broken window, right? We can add the details, but we're only thinking here about the direct objects and the verbs. Number 4, I wrote. So I wrote something down. What did I write? A letter. There you go. I wrote a letter. Number 5, the gardener planted what? Flowers. And number 6, the children built. What did they build? Sandcastle. They built a sandcastle. Awesome job. Okay, now it is time for exercise number 1. And what we're going to do here is write the action verb and the direct object in each sentence, just like our checkup. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can find them. Okay, let's take a look at these answers. Sentence number 1, Max ate the apple. What's our verb? Well, ate. And what is our direct object? Apple. What did he eat? He ate the apple. Number 2, the cat chased the mouse. What's our verb? Chased. Chased what? Mouse. Okay. Number 3, he read the book in one sitting. Oh, what did he do? He read. He read what? A book. Number 4, yeah, you didn't see it. I had my thumb out, but 4, they bought a new car. What did they buy? They did something. They bought it. They bought a car. Number 5, there we go, all 5 fingers. The teacher teaches the student. Woo! Our verb is teaches, and our direct object is students. Exactly. Who teaches what? And number 6, hey, I found my keys. What happened? I found something. What did I find? Keys. Awesome job. All right. Let's take a look at exercise number 2, where we have our paragraph, right? What I want you to do is the same thing. Find your direct objects, okay? Or compound direct objects. Dun, dun, dun. See if you can figure that out. Remember, look for those objects, okay? Pause the video and find them. Find them. Okay, I hope I didn't trip you up by asking you to find compound direct objects, but we know what compound things are. They're one thing plus another thing smushed together like a compound sentence, okay? So let's see if you found these. Here we go. In the bustling city, people hurry to catch trains, buses, and taxis. What are they catching? Those 3 things. You found them all already. Street performers entertain passers-by. How? With music and acrobatics. Pedestrians cross busy what? Intersections, dodging cars, and bicycles. Ooh. Compounds, look at those. We have 3s. Workers rush to complete tasks before their deadlines. They rush to complete what? Deadlines. Or tasks, sorry. Tasks. Don't confuse the students. Oops. Customers borrow. Wow. Here we go. I'm focused. Right there with you. Customers browse through shops, searching for the perfect gift. Got it. Students eagerly participate in class discussions, sharing their thoughts and ideas. Artists create vibrant murals on the walls of buildings. Tourists snap photos of famous landmarks and attractions. Athletes train rigorously to improve their skills and fitness levels. Parents cheer on their children at soccer matches and dance recitals. You found them all. I know you did. I totally believe that you found all of these. And if you do have any questions, just let me know. Let me know. I'm pretty sure you found everything, though. But if you didn't, no shame, no problem in that. Ask me, send me a comment, send me a message, and I will do my best to help you as always. Now, I will see you for the next lesson, okay? Goodbye.